You can make this custom graduation gift box, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So before we get started, let me just let you know my name is Oriel, and I'm the owner of O Customs, where I create custom gifts and party favors for all occasions. So let's get into it. First, I started by designing everything in Canva. I love using Canva. So everything was designed in Canva, and then I printed them out and I used sticker paper. Feel free to use any sticker paper you want. If you want the sticker paper that I use, I will drop it in the comments below. But pretty much now you're just going to sit there and you're going to cut out all of the designs, get it as close as you can, as neat as you can. And I'm just going to speed this part along. Okay, so now we're just finishing up. So after you're done cutting the final piece, you're going to lay your box out. And then that's when you're just going to pretty much begin to see how everything fits. If you can see, I'm just testing it on there, making sure it fits, that I'm not going to have any problems, so that everything can go down nice and smooth and aligned. Comes the fun part, placing everything and bringing the design back to life. So what I like to do is peel back just a small strip of the backing first, not the whole thing though, just enough to help me line it up properly. So what you're going to do is you're going to align the edge of the box first, and once you have it where you want it, just slowly start peeling it back while pressing down on the design. You can use your hand or a squeegee tool for this. I personally prefer to use the squeegee, but either way works fine, just as long as you take your time. But me, if I have a squeegee, I'm using it. If my room is a mess or whatever, I'm definitely using my hand because I'm not wasting that much time. Because you'll be shocked how many things could go missing when you're crafting sometimes. You just turn your head and it's gone. But the key is basically to go slow and smooth it down as you peel. So let's do this side. It's the same thing. You're going to align up the edges, and then you're going to gently rub it down and then begin to peel it back. The key, like I said, is to go slow and smooth it down as you peel, so you don't get bubbles and wrinkles in it. That's the last thing you want to do, because once you have to pull it up, you don't want to have to pull it up. So basically you're going to repeat this process on each side, the front and the back, and then the top of the box. So if you're watching this video and you're like, I'm going to make this, and you really want to make this yourself but don't want to design everything from scratch, I do have a Canva party favor bundle template on my website. It already includes the box design plus the matching items, which would be the party favors, the Rice Krispie treats, all that. So definitely check out that if you do not feel like designing from scratch. So now when you're working on the top of the design, you kind of just want to do the same thing. It's a little bit bigger, so you might feel a little bit intimidated. Don't be. Same thing. Fold down that little line and line it up. And there will be just a slight space between the top of the box and the side of the box. As you can see how I left it, there's just a slight bit of space, and then you're still going to do it. Make sure though that you actually remember which side is the top from the bottom. That's why I do the sides first. Okay, I like to start and just, like I said, it's the same thing. Take your time, rub it out. You can use your hand or a squeegee, whichever one you're more comfortable with, but at the end of the day, just remember to take your time. So whether you want to DIY it, use my template, or have me make everything for you, I've got options, which means you've got options. Everything will be in the link below. I also offer full graduation party favor bundles if you want everything to match your theme. So before this video ends, I just want to say thank you for watching my tutorial. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also let me know in the comments what you want to see next. For more DIYs, more behind the scenes, or more party favors, let me know. And once again, Thanks for watching.